Welcome back to day 12 of 12 Days of FabFitFun. So let's get into this final door here. And what I have today is Plum Plump Hyaluronic Serum, which has a retail value of $42. This looks like a really nice product. All the products I received were pretty nice things, and they did come out with a retail value of over $330. The price of the box was like $79, I think, so it turned out to be a pretty decent value. Though all of these things will go to good use. They'll either be gifts, presents, or go into my beauty box. So I hope you enjoyed watching this 12 Days of FabFitFun, and I hope you have a very Merry Christmas.